Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, showing our 91 Dodge Ramcharger. Pretty cool truck, got a 6-inch lift to it, 147. Just on the hood you can see, maybe not the, I don't know, they repainted it and maybe had some hail at one time. There's some things you can kind of see through the paint. Looks like it's been fixed, but you can kind of see them. Otherwise, pretty clean. Ramcharger, got a little ding there, and I showed it in one of my pictures. I thought it was on one of these sides way low. There's just a little bit of rust. That's about the only rust I see now. Interior needs nothing, nice shape, got a Carfax on it. Oh, I'd say the only thing, got a few little sags in the headliner, but nice and clean and no big scratches or anything. Maybe a few rock chips down here because of the bigger tires. Rear hatch opens, that could be a thing on these. Their gates bust because they're fiberglass. But everything all works. It said here's some rock chips down here from on the lower part, but nice and clean, cool looking Ramcharger with the lift. If you go over the list, I mean, 6-inch super lift, 35 1250s, 15-inch turbines, air conditioner blows cold, 6x9 Rockford Fosgate, Sony CD, no floorboard rust, vintage Suntac, new fuel pump, fuel gauge sending unit, thrush mufflers, rear brake shoes, windshield. This is all over the last year's ECM at one time with IAC, PCB replaced. Does have a locker too, front differential locker. So pretty cool, cool Ramcharger. There's a few more rock chips right down low there. So any questions? 605-695-7391.